So, I'm just in the cab en route to the first of 2 training days, proper serious training days. This is my behind the scenes of the preparations for the real full Monty. So make sure you like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel and set your ding-a-lingy thing to let you know when I've got another one of these up. So yeah, so we've got this routine, this dance routine, which Ashley has put together. Ashley Banjo, great guy, and it is just insane. I mean, I'm not a dancer, right? In the lead up to this, I actually tried a little bit of doing something interesting and managed to pull a tendon, so I'm that unfit. So I'm trying my best to get a little bit fitter, but you should wait until you see the dance. Well, you might have seen the dance by now. I was like, wow, I'm so not ready for this. But and then I'm up against people who are so much fitter than me. I'm not up against them. We're all in this together, but the other people seem to be a bit fitter than me. And also they're like James Jordan is a professional dancer, and some of the others have got professional dance experience. So anyway, can do what we can do. So that's what we're up to. We don't know quite what happens every day. Every time we turn up, there's a little bit of secrecy. But we got 2 days at a theatre in Regent's Park, or Regent's Park in London, and hopefully, or probably, Ashley is going to show us what we're going to have to do. So it's going to be a bit, but I'll, it can't be worse than the photo shoot. He says hopefully. So the team are here. We're just waiting for Ashley to arrive so that we can start. We're at a dance studio in Regent's Park. There's in the middle of Regent's Park. There's this whole sort of theatre, like an open air theatre apparently, like with the sun outside, because it is obviously October. And yeah, we're now 3 weeks, by the way, exactly 3 weeks until we have our thing, the actual event on November the 16th. So actually we're up to Blackpool on the 15th. So yeah, 3 weeks today. So Ashley's been a bit delayed. So we're just all shooting the breeze, having a bit of a laugh. I mean, the team, they're all so lovely. Everyone is so lovely, and we're all getting on really, really, really well. And I think the support we're giving each other in what is a challenge, I think, for everybody, is going to be a really important part of this. So we're just waiting for Ashley to get here so we can start learning some moves. So Ashley's not actually here. We've just heard the rumour he might actually be having a COVID test, which would be an absolute disaster. But anyway, but James has stepped in and he's actually teaching us all how to ballroom dance, because this is part of the routine. We're doing it to smile. So he's actually stepped in to make up the routine. You've got to admire him. He's just putting all these dances bits together. He's literally making this up as he goes along right now. We were using all those years of experience, obviously, and then he's got to teach us to do it. That's the tricky bit. So we've now moved on to try and do some of the, repeat some of the dances from the fast bit rather than the slow bit. So again, Ashley's not turned up and it's not looking, well, he's just had to take a PCR test, so it's a bit scary. Because if he's positive, that's just better thinking about it. Hopefully he's not, hopefully he'll be negative. We'll move on this afternoon, but I think everyone's getting really worried about the lack of time we got to do this. We've got, I guess we've got 3 or 4, maybe 5 maximum practice days, and that's not long to learn the kind of routines we're having to learn. And that's not even full days, right? So yeah, no joking, this is a challenge for everybody, but we'll get there. There'll be lots of smoke and lots of mirrors, so it'll be fine. Ugh. So that's it for day one. We've got another day of this tomorrow. When we're just, and you know what? Comparing it to building a house, you know, I was ready to construct two down terrace, and it turns out they want us to build the Taj Mahal in 3 weeks. So this is it. To the next one. So make sure you, like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and come back for more behind the scenes of the Full Monty 2021. Blimey. Yeah, 3 weeks. 3 weeks we've got. No way.